Araw mga Lods at welcome back sa Simple Knobs. Ngayon ay nasa ikalawang bahagi na tayo ng ating LTO Computerized Exam Reviewer English version. Kung naghahanda kayo para sa exam, perfect ito para sa inyo. Ganun pa rin ang setup natin, babasahin ko ang mga tanong at ang mga choices ng sagot at pagkatapos ay sasabihin ko ang tamang sagot. Pero bago yan ay mag-subscribe muna kayo sa channel ko at i-click ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga informative video na i-upload ko. Diretso na tayo sa question number 31. On a two-lane road, overtaking is only allowed at the A. Left lane, B. Both right and left lanes, C. Right lane. The correct answer is letter A. Left lane. What does this sign indicate? A. Motor vehicle cannot load passengers. B. Motor vehicle cannot unload passengers. C. Motor vehicle cannot load or unload passengers. The correct answer is letter C. Motor vehicle cannot load or unload passengers. Which of the following can you adjust in order to reduce the chance of collision? A. Your speed and lane position. B. The sharpness of a curve. C. Another car's speed. The correct answer is letter A. Your speed and lane position. When a driver of PUJ refuses to render service convey passengers, such violation is penalized with A. Fine of 1,000 pesos. B. Fine of 2,000 pesos. C. Fine of 3,000 pesos. The correct answer is letter A. Fine of 1,000 pesos. What habit will help you prevent getting a fixed stare and resist distraction? A. Looking at the ground. B. Moving your eyes regularly by looking near and far. C. Gauging another car's speed. The correct answer is letter B. Moving your eyes regularly by looking near and far. Which of the following best describe the picture? A. The distance to the next intersection is 60 kilometers. B. Given speed limit. C. Given length of the vehicle. The correct answer is letter B. Given speed limit. What should you do to avoid air pollution, especially from motor vehicles? A. Help to enforce the law by having regular motor vehicle checkup and avoid overloading. B. Plant more trees. C. Use a car that's not more than 10 years old. The correct answer is letter A. Help to enforce the law by having regular motor vehicle checkup and avoid overloading. Before changing lanes on the highway, you must give a signal for at least A. 1 minute before doing it. B. 10 seconds before doing it. C. 5 minutes before doing it. The correct answer is letter B. 10 seconds before doing it. Road accidents can be avoided and minimized if the driver A. Don't disregard traffic signs installed on particular places. B. Drinks coffee before hitting the road. C. Drive slowly and carefully. The correct answer is letter A. Don't disregard traffic signs installed on particular places. A driver of a private motor vehicle with a gross vehicle weight not exceeding 4,500 kg, a BEC level of blank or higher shall be conclusive proof that said driver is driving under the influence of alcohol. A. 0.06%. B. 0.07%. C. 0.05%. The correct answer is letter C. 0.05%. It is more dangerous to drive at the maximum speed level at night than during daytime because A. Your reaction time is slower at night. B. The roadways are more slippery at night. C. You cannot see too far at night. The correct answer is letter C. You cannot see too far at night. In an intersection with a stop sign, you should A. Stay alert and go on if there is no danger. B. Give way to vehicles from the left or right and go on if there is no danger. C. Stop and go if there is no danger. The correct answer is letter C. Stop and go if there is no danger. It refers to measure of amount of alcohol in a person's blood. A. Blood alcohol concentration. B. Blood alcohol count. C. Blood alcohol intake. The correct answer is letter A. Blood alcohol concentration. A driver must park within the curb by putting the car in looger and setting the parking brake for at least A. 40 centimeters, B. 35 centimeters, C. 30 centimeters. The correct answer is letter C. 30 centimeters. You were flagged down due to noisy muffler of your motorcycle. What will you do? A. Bribe the traffic enforcer. B. Reinstall the stock muffler of your motorcycle. C. Pay the violation fee. The correct answer is letter B. Reinstall the stock muffler of your motorcycle. When driving on a mountain roads during daytime, you should A. Blow your horn every 1 minute. B. Blow your horn when you think it's necessary. C. Blow your horn when approaching a blind curve. The correct answer is letter C. Blow your horn when approaching a blind curve. It refers to standardized tests to initially assess and determine intoxication. A. Field sobriety test. B. Field alcohol test. C. Field intoxication test. The correct answer is letter A. Field sobriety test. There are two incoming vehicles in an intersection with no traffic sign. Which vehicle has road right? A. The first vehicle to slow down. B. The vehicle coming from the left. C. The first vehicle to arrive. The correct answer is letter C. The first vehicle to arrive. The license issued to a driver entitle him to operate A. Only motor vehicles that he can drive. B. Only class 1 to 3 vehicles. C. Only motor vehicles specified in the license. The correct answer is letter C. Only motor vehicles specified in the license. When walking on a roadway where there is no sidewalk, pedestrians must always stay A. On the left side of the road moving against the traffic flow. B. On the right side. C. Either way will do. The correct answer is letter A. On the left side of the road moving against the traffic flow. What is the meaning of a traffic sign that has circle, octagon, or reverse triangle with red color? A. Warning. B. Giving direction. C. Compulsory. The correct answer is letter C. Compulsory. The deadline to renew the registration of a motor vehicle is A. At the discretion of the operator. B. At the end of the year. C. On the last working day of the month corresponding to the last digit of the motor vehicle plates. The correct answer is letter C. On the last working day of the month corresponding to the last digit of the motor vehicle plates. If the vehicle's headlight in front of you is blinding your eyes, what should you do? A. Quickly look at the right side of the road. B. Look at the glaring light. C. Put your headlight on high also. The correct answer is letter A. Quickly look at the right side of the road. The effects of alcohol in driving are the following except A. Coordination of body movements and self-judgment. B. Reduced concentration. C. Slow reaction time. The correct answer is letter A. Coordination of body movements and self-judgment. If you are the first to arrive at the scene of an accident, which of the following should you do? A. Mind your own business. B. Offer all reasonable assistance. C. Move past the accident to avoid traffic build-up. The correct answer is letter B. Offer all reasonable assistance. A privately registered car utilized for hire and carriage of passengers or cargoes is a colorum vehicle and is prohibited by law. Drivers caught operating such vehicle for the first time is penalized by A. A fine of 2,000 pesos and suspension of his driver's license for 3 months. B. Cancellation of his driver's license. C. A fine of 500 pesos. The correct answer is letter A. A fine of 2,000 pesos and suspension of his driver's license for 3 months. Steady green light at an intersection means A. Pedestrians are allowed to cross the pedestrian lanes. B. Pedestrians are allowed to cross the pedestrian lanes when there are no incoming vehicles. C. Pedestrians are not allowed to cross the pedestrian lanes. The correct answer is letter C. Pedestrians are not allowed to cross the pedestrian lanes. The Road Users Charge Law, Republic Act No. 8794, was enacted by the Philippine Congress to serve as basis for A. Collecting violation fees for motor vehicles. B. Collecting registration fees for motor vehicles. C. Collecting tax fees for motor vehicles. The correct answer is letter B. Collecting registration fees for motor vehicles. If two vehicles approach or enter an intersection at approximately the same time, which vehicle has the right of way? A. The vehicle on the left. B. The first one to arrive. C. The vehicle on the right. The correct answer is letter C. The vehicle on the right. Which of the following best describes the picture? A. Slippery road. B. Steep road. C. Broken road. The correct answer is letter A. Slippery road. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga Lods at kita-kits sa susunod na video kung saan ibabahagi ko naman sa inyo ang LTO Computerized Exam Reviewer sa Tagalog version.